Good afternoon, Miss Q. We are the Group 8 in Statistics and Probability. So this is our given data. As you can see, we have Rafael, Cabanada, Liburan, and Abad. This data gives us the example of the number of siblings these people have. So this is the mean. The mean is you just plus them and divide them by their number. So the mean equals to 2.5. So this is the variance. The variance is just squared added to the mean and divided by 4, and the equal is 1.25. And our standard deviation is 1.1180. So the number of value given to us is the number 3. So as you can see here, this is the table of values. You can see here the probabilities and the outcomes of the given data. Here is the probability distribution. As you can see, these are the probability distribution, and it equals to 64. Next, the histogram. This is our visual aid to let you see and understand more of our data and the answer of every test. So as you can see here, these are the population mean and the variance mean, and these are the outcomes of the probability distribution. So as you can see in here, in probability distribution, you have P, and at the bottom Px. So to get the population mean, you just have to times the P and the Px and plus them together, and it equals us to 2.5 here in mean. And this variance naman is you just put the squared or add the squared, and you'll get the equation, the sum, 6.555. So in conclusion, the population mean is equal to the mean of the sample means. The population variance is greater than the variance of the sample mean. To get the standard error, you just have to divide the standard deviation by square root of n. And our n is valued as 3. So this equals to 0.645. This shows that the standard errors 0.645 quantifies how much the sample mean 3 would vary if the study was replicated.